Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do Karnataka State Level SSLC Preparatory 1 2026. So this is the maths paper, 80 marks paper. Let's start. Now 29 question. Already up to 28th question completed. You follow the playlist better, you will get every answer. See here. Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is the question. So LHS we will take a final answer. We want RHS. Now see here, this is the LHS. First we will take the LCM. See here I am taking LCM. What is the LCM? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is the LCM. Okay. Now carefully listen. This one close. Sin into this one. Okay. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. Plus tan into tan theta into, see this one close. Tan into this one. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now see here. Now we will multiply sin into 1 sin theta plus sin into cos theta sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Okay. Next plus tan into 1 tan theta minus tan into cos tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta into cos theta. Okay. Now divided by here formula a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square means 1 square. 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now carefully listen. Here this tan we can write sin by cos. First we will tan we will convert into sin by cos. Remaining right as it is here. Sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta minus this tan I am writing sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. Okay. Now divided by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. So here I am writing sin square theta. Any cancel chance? This one cancel. What is remain? First we will write here. Now see here. Sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta minus sin theta divided by sin square theta divided by sin square theta. Okay. Now carefully listen. Any cancel chance? See here. Plus sin theta minus sin theta cancel. So what is remain? We will write here. See here what is remain? Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Again what is remain? Tan theta remain plus tan theta divided by sin square theta. Sin square theta. Okay, this sin square theta separate we will write. Okay, sin theta into cos theta divided by sin square theta. Sin square theta plus tan theta by sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now carefully listen. This square we will write 2 times. See here. Sin theta into cos theta divided by sin square theta means sin theta into sin theta. Okay. Next here carefully listen. Tan means I am writing sin by cos. This tan we are converting into sin theta by cos theta divided by sin square theta. Sin square theta. Here down nothing means what? 1. This is the main divide. Okay. This fraction divided by this fraction. Don't confuse. Okay. Here any cancel chance is there? See here sin cancel. Here what is remain? Cos theta by sin theta. Next here carefully listen. This fraction divided by this fraction. So down number will be reciprocal. So here I am writing sin theta by cos theta. Okay, here this is the main divide. Down number reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by sin square theta. Okay. Now see here 1 sin theta is there. Here 2 sin square. Sin square means here 2 is there. So it cancel. Here what is remain? Sin theta remain. Okay. Now see here what words remain. First we will write cos theta by sin theta. Okay, plus here what is remain? 1 by cos remain, 1 by cos theta into here 1 by sin theta. Okay, now we will write our final answer. Carefully listen. Cos by sin means what? Cot. So this is the cot theta plus 1 by cos means it is a sec theta. Okay, into 1 by sin means it is a cosec theta. Okay, this is our final answer. See here, cot theta sec plus sec theta into cosec theta. So it is a RHS answer. Okay, now 29 R question. See here beta. Cosec A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A is equal to cot A into cosec A. So now we will take LHS side, RHS answer we want. So now I am taking LHS. LHS what is there? Cosec A minus sin A. Okay, into tan A plus cot A. Okay, this LHS we are taking. Final answer we want RHS. See, this cosec means we can write 1 by sin. So this one I am writing 1 by sin A. Okay, minus sin A write as it is sin A. Down nothing means what? 1. Okay, see, tan means how can you write sin by cos? So this one write sin A by cos A. Okay, next cot means how can you write cos A by sin A? This one write cos A by sin A. Okay, now see here what is the LCM? Sin A LCM, sin A. Okay, here you will get 1 minus, here you will get sin A into sin A, sin square A. Okay, into, carefully listen, here what is the LCM? Cos A into sin A is the LCM. Cos A into sin A is the LCM. Okay, now see here, cos close, sin into sin, sin square A. Here you will get sin square A plus sin close means cos into cos, cos square A. Cos square A. Okay, now carefully listen. 1 minus sin square A is equal to what can we write? Cos square A. So here you write cos square A by sin A. Okay, into sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A cos square A equal to 1. 1 by cos A into sin A. Okay, now see here, any cancel chances are there? See here cancel possible. Here 2 cos is there, here 1 cos is cancel. 1, here how many remain? 1 cos A remain. 1 cos A remain. Okay, now what is remain here? Cos by sin remain. Right here cos A by sin A. Okay, into here what is remain? 1 by sin A remain. 1 by sin A remain. 1 by sin A. Okay, now see here, now we want our final answer. See here, cos by sin means what? Cot. Okay, cos by sin means it is a cot A. Into 1 by sin means what? Cosec A. 1 by sin is equal to cosec A. So cot A into cosec A, it is equal to RHS, our final answer K. Okay.